Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla! Alright, everyone, you don't know say the Skilla again, you see it? Now, every time police officers do something bad, it go viral, it gone all over the internet, right? But whenever them do good, no one shows that good more than the very few. You know what I mean? Now look at this clip and see exactly what I mean by proper policing. Observe.
Proper policing, you know? Yeah, proper policing right now, you know? See? Yeah, yeah, man, tie a proper off, you know, and the officers are here, you know? Proper policing, I like it. Yeah. Police them do them work, you see me? Make sure it's a good on the corner.
Yes, exactly, you see it? Show the good that the police them do just as well as you would show the bad that the police them do. You understand? Because there is good police and there's bad police. You see me? These police officers took the time to make sure that this person, yeah, was safe, right? In car broke down, you know, and a night at that. You get what I mean? So they make sure them stay upon spot until even the wrecker come. That right there, so a good policing. You see me? I want to need for show the respect and show the gratitude and show the world that there are actually good policing being done at times. Don't just show the bad. You understand? Yes, people need to see the bad when the bad happens, but at the same time, you need to let people see the good just as much as the bad. Alright? So my respect to those police officers, you know what I mean? That is really good policing right there. Good job right there. You know, good policing, I should say. I have to really commend you on that one. Alright? So big up and respect. You see it? Alright. Anyways, if you need to know more about Guan, and if you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. You know what I mean? If you need to contact me, you read the description below. You can find Dancehall Skilla on Facebook, Instagram. You know the thing go. Just spell the name Dancehall Skilla. You understand what I mean? My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.